Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint here to the power key button on the right side of our phone, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here correct and so fast. I just simply touch the power key button. I'm not pressing it, so this is the good result for the fingerprint scanner. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or PIN code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.